Hello?
I have a party that I wanted to attend today, so I was thinking maybe you go with me. Because everybody there are coming with their own girlfriend. So I need to call my own girlfriend too now.
I'm sorry, I can't make it. I'm not feeling too well, eh? Just go. Go alone, eh? Enjoy yourself. I'm so sorry. I wish I could come.
Okay, no problem now. Later.
This party is lit, baby. Come here, drink.
I'll finish you with love.
Man, this is wonderful. Oh.
Hey, my G. What's the way? I get you. Mama, cut some more. Ben now. Ben, see my baby that one. What did she do for you? This girl tell me say she know where, say she know follow me come party. Now she don't follow that man come party. Me you whenever ask us to the call, say who your baby, who your baby. No. You. Go, not loud.
Baby, come this way. That's good.
Oh my God.
That's good.
Come here.
What's your problem?
What do you mean? What's my problem? You told me that you were sick and that you can't follow me down to this party. What are you doing here? And who is this bastard here?
I lied to you because I am sick of you. You are incompetent and you cannot satisfy me. That is why you see this young, vibrant man, stole me from you by using this tea. Fecomi Smackdown tea. Let me tell you what it does. It enhances sexual performance and it increases the rod so that you can service the engine well. Take. You need it, so they can be able to hit that engine well. Baby, let's go.
Hey, Baba. This one where we say I don't collect your girlfriend now. I know say you would be lonely.
Okay, talk to me for the don't insult me.
See, this one Fecomi masturbator tea. It go help you revitalize your testosterone. Take. I greet you, Baba.
Hello, Efe.
Ramigwo.
Efe, the girlfriend where I don't they try hide since. They don't use tea collect am from my hand though.
You use tea, you take collector.
Efe, I dey come worry. I dey come see my new girlfriend. I want to surprise her.
You know they have you, brother. Okay, no wahala. You dey come worry. Okay.
So once I surprise her finish, I go carry her come house. Go show Momsi and Pale. Make they see her.
No wahala, brother. I hear you.
Baby, calm down. You haven't taken your Fecomi Smackdown tea. Remember the last time you took it? Like, you really worked on me. Or do you intend to leave me hanging?
Never. Not today.
That's my baby. Hurry up, so I can just get down to baby. That's my baby. Okay, let me take it off.
Sandra!
You know what you think, please?
Sandra!
He's my younger brother.
But amigo.
Vrendo.
Yeah! You were so. My senior brother.
Your senior brother? You two know each other?
Brother. I don't take some kind of thing for body.
Make I just quickly rush one. We go come back again for this matter.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Make I just quickly rush one.
It is what it is. It is what it is.